Ever wondered what those extra ports on your network switch are for? Those are SFP ports, standing for Small Form Factor Pluggable. They allow you to hot swap modules to connect your network with different types of cables. So, why does this matter? While standard RJ45 ports are great for short-distance copper connections, SFP ports give you incredible flexibility. You can use fiber optic modules to connect devices miles away, immune to electrical interference. This means a single switch can link to a distant building with fiber while still serving local devices with copper, all by simply changing the module. There's a variety of SFP modules, from multi-mode fiber for shorter runs to single mode for long haul, and even copper modules that act like a standard Ethernet port. You'll find them in uplink, downlink, or combo port configurations. However, always check for vendor compatibility, as many switches require specially coded modules to function correctly. Ultimately, SFP ports enable incredibly versatile and scalable network designs. You can easily connect different floors, buildings, or even entire campuses. This flexibility allows your network to grow and adapt over time without needing to replace your core hardware, making it a truly future-proof solution for modern infrastructure.